Pelly, Annie Parker Confidential. Okay, heads up, this is not for everyone. Before we launch into the video, I'm gonna talk about 8 ways to stay motivated to work out. You first have to ask yourself this key question, and it's really simple. How bad do you want it? How bad do you want your best body or to look and feel your best? On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being not important, 10 being I want it so bad I can taste it. If you answered anywhere from a 7 to a 10, this video is for you because you're already motivated. Today we're going to talk about 8 ways to kind of get you over the hump on days when maybe you don't feel so motivated. Come back and let me share them with you. Number 1, keep a visual. Who isn't motivated by seeing a picture of yourself when you feel like you looked and felt your best, or seeing a picture of maybe a type of physique that you aspire to? Whatever it is, keep a visual of it where you can easily see it every day. Put it on the inside of your medicine cabinet. I mean, personally, I don't want a big ass picture like stuck on the refrigerator of my house, tacky, but keep a visual that motivates and inspires you, and just take a quick look at it. So on the days when maybe you feel like you'd rather go back to sleep instead of hit the gym, or maybe you'd rather go to anything but cakes. I love anything but cakes. Instead of going to the gym, just take a quick look at it, and it helps to keep you motivated. And that's an easy thing you can do. Number 2 is to create a weekly routine. Set the day and time that you're going to work out for the week and stick with it. So for me personally, I work out Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday from 9:30 to 10:30. I take Thursdays off, and on Sunday I take a restorative yoga, and I stick to it. So make a plan the work and work the plan. Now, if you have a job where your schedule changes on a weekly basis, then all you're going to do is, once you get your schedule and once you know what your week looks like, you're going to block out time for your workout, and you'll set it again for the day and the time. So plan the work the plan, create a routine, create a schedule, and stick with it. Number 3 to me is a no-brainer. Do a workout that you love, or at least don't dread. Okay, like I am not going to cycle because I hate to cycle. So I know I won't do it, so I don't have that as part of my workout routine. But do something that you love to do, whether it's, following one of my videos, which of course I'm sure you love doing, whether you do like to bike, whether you like to run, whether you like to do yoga, it doesn't matter. The best workout is the one that you're going to do and the one that you will stick with. It's going to change from time to time, and when you get bored with it, just change it up. But focus on something that you actually enjoy doing, and you're much more apt to stick with it and stay motivated to go. Number 4, pal up with a friend. Maybe. I don't personally do this, but I know that a lot of people really love and feel motivated enlisting a friend to motivate and inspire them to go work out, like a workout buddy. But here's the deal. You want to pick a friend who's just a little more motivated than you are, because that's when you're going to benefit. I don't do this because what has happened in the past is I'll have friends that say, hey, let's work out together. And of course, I always want to help somebody. I always want to share what I know. That's why I do what I do. And what inevitably happened is I had to work like extra hard to keep them motivated and to encourage them to come. And you know what? I'm not your mom. So I ended up having to have that it's not you, it's me breakup conversation where I'm like, it's not you, it's me. I just like to go and work out on my own. But I know a lot of people like to have a friend. Pick somebody that is going to motivate you, not where you're doing the motivating. Okay, number 5, get competitive in a good way. I always loved standing next to somebody who would jump higher than me, who was maybe more fit than I was, because we would inspire and motivate each other. So maybe if you're taking a group exercise class, maybe find somebody who's in like super great shape or is jumping really high or doing things that just motivate and inspire you, and just kind of feel that competitive spirit. It's a good thing to do. If you're more of a home workout person or a video person, which I hope you are because I hope you subscribe and do my workouts, pick a fitness leader that motivates and inspires you. He or she should push the pace, but make you do more than what you might normally otherwise do. Number 6, try a group fitness class or a workout video, like one of my workout videos, where you have somebody that's going to lead you through the workout that is already constructed and done for you. So if you go to the gym, but then you sort of wander aimlessly around deciding what you should do and maybe pick up a few dumbbells and you just feel like you didn't get a good workout, then try a group exercise class or a workout video. I mean, I love them too. I really love going to group exercise classes. I did yoga sculpt, it was like jumping around and HIIT training with weights in a really hot room. It just felt good to have somebody else take the lead for a change and do the workout. And I felt motivated to go because it was there at a certain time. I felt inspired because I stand next to somebody that motivated me, and I loved doing that. So give it a go. Number 7, get social with me. Okay, let me help you. Every time you do one of my workouts and you're feeling extra good about yourself or feel like you really got yourself off the couch to do it, post a cute picture of yourself and just tag me on Instagram and I'll give you a shout out, because it always feels good when you're doing your best and somebody actually acknowledges it. So post a picture of yourself, tell me what workout you did, I'll give you a shout out and a high five. Okay, 8th and finally, maybe it's not a point, but just do it. I mean, look, everybody can give you all the motivational tips in the world. They can give you all the inspiration in the world, but you have to be motivated. And sometimes you've just got to put your flippin' shoes on and get to the gym and do it. That's why at the beginning, I asked, how bad do you want it? Because if you want it pretty badly, you're already motivated. Just put your shoes on, do it. Okay, bonus one. All right, I like to offer myself a treat. So if it was after like a particularly arduous week and I really felt that I went the extra mile to make myself get in the gym and work out, listen, there is no shame in my game. I will schedule like a nice cheat day for me. So maybe we're going to dinner and, like I feel like having a piece of cake or whatever it is, I'll do that. If I feel like going to anything but cakes on Sunday and sitting in my car with a plastic fork and the individual bundt cake and just shoveling it down my pie hole, I'll do that too. So figure out what feels good for a treat for yourself and don't be afraid to do it. We all like a treat. Okay, for all things health, wellness, beauty, style, healthy living, visit me on the blog, AnnieParkerConfidential.com, and I'll see you.